Hi everyone, good morning. This is my second day here in the apartment, and I want to give you guys a little tour. It is a very cute apartment, and I'm really enjoying the views and being able to spend my time here. So let's go. Okay, so here is the entrance. Well, first the door, and here's the table, the little dining table. We have like the living room section, our gas heater, some pictures and like decorations, and lots of food. So I'll be showing you guys a little bit of that later, but I'm being well taken care of here. I really love the chairs, just like how colorful they are, and yeah, they're beautiful. Here's like the patio. It's covered, and here are just like some of the neighboring buildings. Here is the kitchen. So I'm still trying to get ready for breakfast soon enough. The water heater, which I've had to learn to use. Oh yeah, this baby is a gas stove, so it's gonna be interesting. I'll try to show you guys how that goes. And yes, a fully stocked fridge with lots of goodies. They have brought a lot of like Chilean things. This is the month of independence, so these are typical foods that you start seeing this time of year. Empanadas, and some other things. These are Chilean sodas, so that has been cool. And yeah, so there's a bathroom, but this one that I haven't really been using because there's one in my room. So first of all, I love the decorations. It's so cute. Lots of flowers, and blue is my favorite color. So really enjoying it. Really comfy and warm bed. Really thankful for that. And yes, closet space. So excited about that. And then here is the bathroom, which has been a pleasure to use also these days. Alright, so I'm gonna try to make coffee. So we have all the coffee and everything. The water is already inside, ready to boil. But before I can do anything, I'm gonna have to first turn the gas on. So right now it's off, and I have to turn it on. And then looking at for example, I'm gonna use this one. So using this one, I'm gonna have to press and turn at the same time that I'm lighting a match, and then put it in there, and that should do it. I did this yesterday, so I'm hoping that it all goes fine. Let's see how it goes. Worked, so now I just have to wait, but really excited that it came out well. Okay, so Chile is colder than what I am used to in Miami, and so for that reason I have become very well acquainted with my little gas heater. So just to maybe share a little bit with you guys of how this works. So at first we go to the back, we turn on the knob to get the gas flowing, and then we go here in the top, pressing this down, and then this is the little like makes like the flame in order to turn on the heater, and then you can control how much you need. So I'm gonna turn this thing on because I'm getting a little cold.